Hey guys, today I'm going to show you some reasons why your S26 vacuum is not sucking as hard as it should be. So there's the obvious ones. You should check the main conical filter in here. There's 3 clips right here. Lift this up here, check your main conical filter, make sure that's clean. I will have Amazon affiliate links where you can get new conical filters and new HEPA filters down in the description below. Then you can check your HEPA filters. There's these bolts right here. Take those off, and then you can lift these hoses and caps off and check to make sure that your HEPA filters are clean. You can also just pull one of these off at a time and make sure you're getting good suction from each side. So just turn it on and then make sure that both sides are sucking hard. That will tell you that both of your motors are actually working. If you are lacking suction from a side, then you've got a bad motor that you need to change in there. I will have a video linked down in the description of how to change one of these S26 fan motors. So the next things that you'll be checking after those are making sure that, like, your flaps up here, like right in here, you can see your little flap, make sure that's not broken. Make sure your flap down here is not broken inside the bag. You can just take this off. You can see this one, I actually just changed this flap here because it had broke off the rubber brakes right here, and this big flap just falls down. Done. So if those things are good, another thing that you can check is your hose and make sure you don't have either a plug in your hose, or you might have a bunch of cuts in your hose. It might just start to break between the pieces here. And then this is the problem that I was having with this vacuum. I ended up finding that right here, the body of the vacuum was ripped right here. And so it was just sucking air, bypassing the hose essentially. Both sides were ripped pretty bad. This one was ripped really bad. As soon as I welded those shut, turned the thing back on, all kinds of suction. Worked really well. If you are not a good welder or don't know a welder, got some other options for you. I was looking at this one over here that we have, and somebody put epoxy on there. It's starting to crack. It's not going to hold as long, but it will do the trick. So I hope you found this video helpful. I hope you get your vacuums back to working the way they should. If you found this video helpful, smash that thumbs up button. Leave a comment down below for the YouTube algorithm. Thank you for watching, and have a good one.